Livestock World, we call ourselves a crowd farming platform, which is allowing anyone to be a farmer. How do we do that? By allowing anyone to own items which could be cows that are growing on the farm. So you own things that are growing on the farm between seed and harvest. So you essentially part of the farm, not by owning shares in the farm, but by owning real individual assets on the farm. My own mother was a school principal and a teacher. Her parents were normal domestic workers before they turned full-time into farming. And every year they would sell cattle to pay for her teaching diploma. So cattle, from me being grown up, I realized that actually in owning agricultural assets can be key to liberating and in creating wealth for most people who are currently marginalized and outside of wealth. With investors who are city dwellers who say, I want to own cows, but I don't have the land, I don't have the time, I don't have the skill. So our job is to matchmake and manage the trust relationship between the farmer and the investor. We have everyone from the taxi driver to executive in a listed companies. That's really the profile of our investors. There's really tangible benefits for the farmer, and we bring partners for him by way of investors who will own some of the cows. And the farmer gets paid today for the cows while they're still looking after them. And at harvest, when his financial situation has improved, he can buy back the cows from the investor at a pre-agreed price. So that's how the farmer benefits, by really getting indirect funding from investors. Agriculture has been here since the Garden of Eden, and it's not going anywhere. And it's investing in tangible things that have got real value. When we started off in 2015, we only had 26 cows on the platform. This was like 200,000 rands worth of cattle. But now we're managing close to 60 million rands worth of assets. This is trees, this is vertical gardens, this is cows that are on the platform. So the growth has been tremendous. We're looking to essentially be able to plug in the future anything that grows, anything of value that investors would like to own, any product that's agricultural product that is profitable, that has got value. We want that product to be on our platform so that people can own that as part of their wealth portfolio. Our goal for the future is really to be the premier platform for investing in agriculture. We want to be listed on a New York Stock Exchange and have a secondary listing on the JSE so that our folk don't have to convert their money into dollars to get a piece of us. Yeah, so that's our goal.